In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reorder appointment types with drag and drop. We'll keep this simple and clear. Start by navigating to the menu on the left side of your screen and click on Appointment Types. This is your central hub for managing how your appointment options are organized. Once you're there, you'll see a list of all the appointment types available in your account. Think of this list as the order your team and your clients are most likely to see, so arranging it thoughtfully can make booking faster and more intuitive. When the list is visible, you're ready to adjust it. Just drag an appointment type and it will adjust in place. Click and hold on the item you want to move, then slide it up or down. As you drag, you'll usually see a subtle highlight or a line that shows where the item will land when you let go. Release your mouse to drop it into the new position. That's it. The list reorders instantly and your changes take effect right away in most setups. A few helpful notes as you do this. The order you set here often determines the sequence shown on your booking page and inside internal scheduling screens, so place your most commonly scheduled or most time-sensitive appointment types near the top. If your system groups appointment types by category, you'll typically be able to rearrange items within that group. The interface will guide you with visual cues as you move things around. Dragging does not change the details of an appointment type, like its duration, description, or availability. It only changes where it appears in the list. If a particular item doesn't seem to move, try grabbing it by its main label or the drag handle icon if one is present. Move slowly until you see the drop indicator, then release. If dragging still doesn't work, it can sometimes mean your role doesn't allow editing the order or that the page needs a quick refresh. Also, keep in mind that most modern systems save this automatically, so you usually won't need to confirm anything after you reorder. To recap the flow, go to the left side and click on Appointment Types, view the list that appears, and simply drag an item to adjust its position. With that, you'll have a clean, intuitive order that makes scheduling smoother for everyone.